Welcome to Rise and Learn English. Today we are going to talk about a dream that every student has. The dream is to learn English fast and to make it easy. Usually, teachers tell you that this is impossible. They say, "No, English is hard. It takes years of suffering. It takes hours of grammar drills." I am here to tell you that they are wrong. Learning English does not have to be a struggle. It does not have to be painful. The reason it feels hard is not because the language is difficult. It is because your method is heavy. You are trying to run a marathon carrying a backpack full of rocks. Today, we are going to take off that backpack. We are going to learn the secrets of effortless learning. We are going to see how you can speed up your progress by doing less, not more. The first secret to making English easy is the art of simplification. Many students believe that to be fluent, they must use big, complicated words. They try to say, "I am currently experiencing a sensation of fatigue," instead of, "I am tired." They try to impress people. This slows you down. It makes you nervous. To learn fast, you must embrace the baby method. Look at how a child speaks. They use simple subjects, simple verbs, and simple objects. I want milk. I see a dog. They are not worried about looking smart. They are worried about being understood. If you want to speak fast, use short sentences. Use clear words. Do not try to be a poet. Be a communicator. When you simplify your language, you remove the pressure. You realize, "Oh, I can already say what I want." Speed comes from simplicity. The second secret is the magic 100 verbs. English has thousands of verbs. It is overwhelming. But here is the trick. Native speakers do not use all of them. In 80% of daily conversations, we use the same small group of verbs. Get, have, make, do, go, take, say. If you master these verbs deeply, you can say almost anything. Instead of learning arrive, learn get to. Instead of learning receive, learn get. Instead of learning become, learn get. I got to the office. I got a letter. I got angry. One verb, three meanings. This is the shortcut. Focus your energy on the super verbs. Learn how to use them in the past, present, and future. If you know these 100 verbs perfectly, you are more fluent than a student who knows 1,000 rare verbs but cannot use them. The third secret is the input flood. Imagine you want to fill a swimming pool with water. You can use a teaspoon or you can use a fire hose. Most students use a teaspoon. They listen to English for 10 minutes a day. It will take 100 years to fill the pool. To learn fast, you need a fire hose. You need to flood your brain with English. But, and this is critical, it must be easy English. If you listen to the news and you don't understand it, your brain closes. It puts up a wall. You learn nothing. You need to listen to stories, cartoons, or podcasts where you understand 80% of the words. When you understand the context, your brain relaxes. It opens up. It absorbs the new words naturally. Do not force yourself to watch difficult movies to test yourself. Watch things that make you feel smart, not stupid. When you feel smart, you enjoy the process. When you enjoy it, you do it more. And volume is the key to speed. The fourth secret is the shadowing shortcut. How do you learn to dance? Do you read a book about dancing? No. You watch a dancer and you copy their movements. Speaking is a physical action. It is a dance of the tongue. To learn fast, stop thinking about grammar rules and start copying sounds. Find a short audio clip, play it, pause it, and repeat it exactly. Don't worry about why they use that preposition. Just copy the sound. If they say, "What you doing?" you say, "What you doing?" This bypasses the logical brain and trains the muscle memory. It is the fastest way to get a good accent and natural rhythm. Treat English like a song you are learning to sing. The fifth secret is the 5-minute rule. The biggest enemy of speed is inconsistency. If you study for 5 hours on Sunday and then stop for a week, you are not learning fast. You are moving forward and backward. To learn fast, you must touch the language every single day. But you are busy. You have a job. You have a family. So use the 5-minute rule. Tell yourself, I will listen to English for just 5 minutes today. Anyone can find 5 minutes. Do it while you brush your teeth. Do it while you wait for the coffee. Usually 5 minutes turns into 20 minutes. But even if it doesn't, you have kept the connection alive. You haven't let the bridge collapse. Consistency is the turbo button for fluency. The sixth secret is stop translating. Translation is the slowest way to speak. World, native language, English, speak. This is too many steps. You need to cut the middleman. Practice direct association. Look at a door. Do not think of the word in your language. Look at the object and scream in your head, door. Look at a car, car. Connect the image directly to the English word. When you are walking down the street, name everything you see in English. Tree, sky, bird, man, bus. This trains your brain to react in English. It removes the lag. It makes you fast. The final secret is the confidence hack. You might think, I will be confident when I am perfect. No, you will never be perfect. Even native speakers make mistakes. Confidence does not come from perfection. Confidence comes from courage. Accept that you will make mistakes. Love your mistakes. A mistake is just proof that you are trying. When you speak, speak loud. Speak clear. Even if your grammar is broken, if your voice is strong, people will understand you. Speed comes from a lack of fear. When you stop fearing mistakes, you stop hesitating. You flow. So, take off the heavy backpack. Stop trying to memorize the dictionary. Stop trying to be perfect. Focus on the simple verbs. Flood your brain with easy stories. Shadow the sounds. Do it for 5 minutes every day. And speak without fear. English is not a mountain to climb. It is a river to float in. Relax, let go, and let the current carry you. You will be surprised how fast you move when you stop fighting the water.